Installing LaserGIS for ArcPad. I'm going to go ahead and cover connecting a mobile device to your PC, navigating to LTI's website, register, downloading, and installing a free trial version of LaserGIS for your PC and mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and connect your mobile device to your PC using a USB connector. This is going to launch the Windows Mobile Device Center so you're able to connect. I want to go ahead and connect without setting up your device. And now I'm connected. I just want to go ahead and minimize this screen. From here, I'm going to go, for demo purposes, I'm going to use a remote display program called Pocket Controller so that you're able to view what's going on the mobile device at the same time as we're going through this demo. For demo purposes, I'm going to go ahead and launch ArcPad at this time. Next thing we want to do is navigate to Laser Technology's website. Go ahead and launch a browser and enter in lasertech.com. On Laser Technology's website, there's a search on the right-hand side. Go ahead and go there and type in LaserGIS. It's going to give you a bunch of search results. From here, we'll just go ahead and choose the first one, Laser Technology, LaserGIS for ArcPad. This actually takes us to the LaserGIS webpage. From here, we're going to just do a download a free trial. So you can download LaserGIS for ArcPad. You can try it 20 times at 20-minute intervals at no cost. LaserGIS works for ArcPad 8 and also ArcPad 10. Next thing you do, you need to register. Click on the Register tab. Then start to enter your information. Derek Rash, Laser Technology, country and state, select an application. I'm going to go ahead and choose GIS, GPS mapping, and I'm going to enter email. Choose a password. Submit the registration. My registration is complete, and now I want to proceed on to downloads. Here's a link where you can actually pop up an installation guide. You can download the installation guide before you install LaserGIS. But for this demo purposes, I'm just going to keep moving forward, and I want to download a full version of LaserGIS. What's going to pop up is a zip file. I'm going to go ahead and open up this zip file and let the zip file download. Once the zip file is downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and copy these files onto my PC. You can copy these files onto a temp folder and access them at a later time. So within the zip file, I'm going to go ahead and unzip by one click. It actually puts everything in a temp folder for me. From here, you can just launch the program. You can launch the executable setup file. Double click on that, launches the installation guide. You can install ArcPad 8 on this computer. You can install LaserGIS for ArcPad 10. You can install it on your Windows mobile device, and you can install the help system. First thing I want to do, I'm just going to install the help system. Pops up a installation wizard. Go ahead and read the instructions, and then hit next. I'm going to use the default folder here. Hit next. It's ready to install. Hit next. Installation is complete. Go ahead and close out this installation wizard. Now I have ArcPad 10 on my computer, so I'm going to go ahead and install LaserGIS for that version. It does another installation wizard. Read the instructions and then hit next. Go ahead and read the license agreement. I agree. Hit next. I'm going to go ahead and use the default folder again. Hit next. Now it's ready. I want to confirm installation. My installation is complete. Go ahead and close out that installation wizard. Let's go ahead and minimize these, and what we're going to do is verify that ArcPad LaserGIS is loaded on my PC. So go ahead and launch ArcPad 10 on your PC. As you can see here up to the left, this is we can register our LaserGIS, but we're going to go ahead and just use it in evaluation mode. As you can see here, the LaserGIS icon popped up. You can verify that toolbar. You can go back to the main tools, information, and check out the extensions. You can see LaserGIS installed, LaserGIS version 1.0.1. You can click OK, and now you know that LaserGIS is installed onto your PC. Let's go ahead and minimize that. Next thing we want to do is launch the installation guide again. What we want to do is install LaserGIS onto my Windows mobile device. An installation wizard is going to pop up, and you'll need to follow instructions. At this time, I want to go ahead and launch what is happening on the device. We want to go ahead and hit next. Read the license agreements. I accept. Hit next. Now we want to go ahead and deploy. The device is connected to my Windows Mobile, and we're getting feedback. As you can see, the installation is starting to happen on the Windows Mobile device. The installation wizard is installing LaserGIS onto my Windows Mobile device, and it was successful. Go ahead and press OK. And LaserGIS is successfully installed onto my Windows Mobile device. On the installation wizard, I'm just going to hit the next and hit finish. Now what we want to do is just go back to our Windows Mobile device and verify that LaserGIS has installed. Within ArcPad 10, I'm just going to start a new map.